Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my current daily cleaning routine. So I start my cleaning routine in the morning after I get ready for the day, and I get ready in my master bathroom, so that's where I start my cleaning. I sprayed the countertop with this Caldria countertop spray, and then I wiped it down with these Clorox wipes. Now I don't get the chance to wipe down the bathroom countertops every single day. Usually I end up doing it every other day. After that, I will clean up our bedroom and make the bed. So basically my daily cleaning routine is that I just move room by room through the house, tidying up the whole house, starting in the master bathroom. So now that I've got the master bedroom and bathroom cleaned, I will move on to cleaning up the kitchen. And I am loving the IKEA high chair that so many of you recommended. It's so easy to clean and it doesn't take up a lot of space. And I had to replace the trash bag in the trash can, so before I put it into the trash can, I just carried it over to the counter in the sink and put any trash into it. Now that the kitchen is clean, I move on to tidying up the living room areas. Now, I don't make Kyle clean up his toys unless he's going to be going outside for the day because he stays outside for several hours, so I know he's not going to be playing with his toys anymore. He wanted to go outside, so I told him he had to help me pick up his toys first, and then he also has to pick them all up before he goes to bed at night. Then we went back and cleaned up Kyle's bedroom, and his mattress is still on the floor. We just got this new mattress for him, and we didn't get a bed frame for it yet, but we do have the headboard. You can see it there leaning up against the wall. I really need to order the bed frame because I am tired of making the bed with the mattress on the floor. It's pretty hard to do. Owen's room didn't need to be cleaned, so I moved on to cleaning up the boys' bathroom, and there wasn't too much to clean in here except for the countertop. I just used that Caldria countertop spray again and some of those Clorox wipes. And then after that, all of the rooms in the house were clean. After that, I needed to clean the kitchen floor, so first I swept it and then I gave it a quick mop. Now, I usually always sweep it every single day because, you know, with a 10-month-old and an almost 4-year-old, the floor can get pretty dirty after they eat, and my 10-month-old Owen is crawling everywhere, and so I need to try to keep my floors clean. But I don't mop it every single day. Usually I try to mop at least every other day. I didn't used to mop that often, but like I said, Owen is crawling everywhere, so I try to keep the kitchen floor clean. And then lastly, I had to start a load of laundry. I hope that you enjoyed getting to see my current daily cleaning routine. If you did, please be sure and give this video a thumbs up, and also please be sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to be notified every time that I post a new video, then make sure that you click the bell beside the subscribe button to turn on your post notifications. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.